औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़्तह अलीना हिकमतका वंशुर अलैना रहमतका या ज़ल जलाली वल इकराम. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you are doing well. Okay, now today we are going to learn how to download the attendance from Microsoft Teams. This is very important to maintain the record of the students, to maintain the record of the meeting. Okay, now first of all, whenever you log in, you will find this interface after clicking on Microsoft Teams. So here in Teams I have created 3 classes. I'm going to enter in class 10. You can even join the class using if you haven't created these classes here, you can directly click on Calendar and you will join the class from here. Right now I'm going to join class from Teams. Class 10. Okay, I'm going to select my subject. Now I'm going to join this class. After clicking in Calendar, you will find also this interface, the same interface. Just click on join. It's very easy to join the class. Join it by clicking here. Now click on participants here. Click on participants, show participants. It will appear on the right side. In people, in the front of people, can you see 3 dots over here? You can click on it and you can directly download the attendance. In some cases it's appear over here participants, so click on dot and download the attendance. Attendance downloaded over here. You can open it by clicking here, right click. Okay, open. These are my students and the participants over here. Now after downloading and opening this sheet, you will find this. I have opened this sheet. Now this is the main interface. Now I'm making some adjustment. I'm increasing the width of these cells. Okay, now I have joined the class on this time. This day and this time will appear, and whenever your student will join the class, it will all appear over here. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.